Welcome everyone. Today, we will be discussing the potential of artificial intelligence, specifically ChatGPT, in the field of legal document drafting. As businesses continue to grow and evolve, they are finding that they need to be more efficient and effective in their legal activities. One way to achieve this is by automating certain tasks, such as legal document drafting. With the help of ChatGPT, businesses can now leverage this technology to create, edit, and review legal documents with ease. Legal document drafting with ChatGPT. The process of legal document drafting can be time-consuming and repetitive, especially for businesses that handle a large amount of legal documents. With ChatGPT, however, this task can be made much more efficient. By using ChatGPT, businesses can create and edit legal documents with ease, ensuring that they are always up to date and accurate. One of the key benefits of using ChatGPT for legal document drafting is its ability to understand and generate human-like text. This means that businesses can draft contracts, agreements, and other legal documents with the accuracy and precision that they need. By using ChatGPT, businesses can save time and resources that would otherwise be spent on manually typing out legal documents. Another benefit is its ability to learn from previous documents and revise its output accordingly. This means that businesses can create a consistent and high-quality legal document every time, regardless of the person who is drafting the document. By using ChatGPT, businesses can also ensure that their legal documents are compliant with current legal regulations and standards. Legal document drafting with ChatGPT. In addition to its benefits for businesses, ChatGPT is also a great tool for students and legal professionals alike. By using ChatGPT, individuals can learn how to draft legal documents efficiently and effectively, which can be particularly useful for those who are working on their legal essentials or other legal courses. In conclusion, the use of artificial intelligence, specifically ChatGPT, in the field of legal document drafting is a game changer for businesses in the legal field. By leveraging this technology, businesses can create, edit, and review legal documents with ease, ensuring that they are always up to date and accurate. Whether you are a business owner or a legal professional, ChatGPT is a tool that you should definitely consider using in your daily operations. So, let's embrace the future of legal document drafting and see how it can revolutionize the way businesses operate.